Excel enthusiast, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how we can align our text in center, left or right without using your mouse. You can use your keyboard keys to align your text within a second. Why using your keyboard every time? Because it is very essential, it is very easy and it saves a lot of time. So first you have to select your text. If you want your whole text to be in center, select your whole text. Then you can just simply have to press Alt. By pressing Alt, you can see alphabets appeared on the function bar. Then press HA, and for center alignment you have to press C. You can see your text have aligned in center. If you want your text to be right aligned, press Alt HA. For right, press R. You can see your text aligned to the right side. And for left, similarly press Alt H A L. This is how you can save your lot of time by using your keyboard. It is not necessary to use your mouse every time. Thank you. If you like our video, please share, subscribe and follow Excel up to excel such skills. Thank you.